I knew if somebody would say something if I didn't show. What's going on, YouTube? We're finna do something a little bit different here today. We're gonna call it Fix It Friday. Do a little unboxing here. We got the RD Pro digital feeder from American Hunter. See if y'all can see that. Y'all see that? Alright, I had it's a little bit older model from American Hunter. Had it for about 5 years. And it decided to quit working. So I'm gonna replace the motor, the barrel's still good. See if I can figure this out. That's why I don't never do the unboxing live, but here we go. Looking at it, looks like everything ought to bolt right up. They even gave me new bolts, how about that? See what all it says I need. Alright, let me read all this and I'll get back with you. YouTube. I don't know how well you can see all this. This thing's got a lot more features than the one I'm taking off. It's got a remote control, a solar charger, which my other one had the solar charger, and you can hook up a varmint zapper. Yeah, I may be looking into that. I guess it electrifies these little varmint gauges right here. I'm almost sure that's what happened to my last one. Was that the coons got up there and just kept messing with the motor, because the motor, you can't hardly turn it with your finger now. So it gave me a number that I can order that, and I will probably be ordering the Varmint Master, like the Varmint Zapper. Doesn't that sound good? But when I ordered this kit, I thought it came with the solar panel and the battery, but that's what I get paid for thinking. I'm gonna definitely order that and the Varmint Buster 2 all at once, and maybe the coons won't tear this one up. I mean, I've had the other one for 5 years. You'll see it here in a minute. I'm gonna take it off, put this one on. Interesting. Right here's the old one we're finna take off. Now I'll mount a new one on there. Just 4 screws holding it on. It's nothing complicated, or I'd have to call Cornbread over here today. Just to be honest about it, I'm not very mechanical. It ain't but like 4 little bolts that hold it on, or 4 little, they're actually self-tapping screws. I knew if somebody would say something if I didn't show you at least taking it off a little bit. I'm not going to bore you with all of it. But just simple. You just pull them out. 4 of them pull out. Take it off. I got the old one off. You see how stiff it is. I'm going to try to spray some cleaner on it and see if it'll free up. If it will, I'll just get another barrel and I'll have 2 feeders. But I don't know if something's in the motor. I got some stuff spraying there, see if I can clean it out. Alright, y'all can see I got it off. I'm finna put the other one on. We got the new one on. Probably gonna be putting it up about Wednesday next week. I may wait though. I'm gonna order at least a solar panel and a new battery for it. I want the Varmint Zapper. That sounds fun. Alright. Y'all know the rest. If y'all like this kind of video, let me know in the comments. Cause I'm all the time tinkering with something, or me and Cornbread breaking something. It's just hard to tell. But if y'all like this kind of stuff, let me know. Y'all know the rest of the story. Like, share, subscribe, and what else? We gone.